Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT All-Terrain Edition. Nice all-terrain badging here, as well as on the back. .2 V8, 8-speed automatic. Base price for one of these was $45,680. And then with the options, this one has the all-terrain SLT premium package, the 6.2, the all-terrain package, the audio system, trailer brake controller, and all-terrain tires. This truck came to $54,745. Which is honestly not bad for a truck like this, considering a truck very similar to this truck today would be very, very close to $60,000. This is the double cab, so not as big as the crew cab, but still not microscopic back here. Fully automatic windows. This really, really nice carbon fiber texture. It's obviously not carbon fiber, but the texture itself is really, really nice. All soft touch material, nice red accent stitching throughout. Honestly, it's really, really a great driving truck. And the 6.2 is just insane. Producing over 400 horsepower, this 6.2 is just really fantastic. All the touch points in here are very, very high quality. Everything's nice and soft touch materials where you would be touching them on a day-to-day basis. It's just really high quality in here. Do have power adjustable pedals that move once you are in park. Wireless charger on top of the center console, so you can just have your phone resting right there. And you also have some phone holders here. This is probably my favorite vehicle on the lot right now. I love this truck. It's such a great spec. It is really, really nice. Wow, look at that. You never see those taken off here. That is a steep climb for that plane. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.